This old man, we divide into two. Right hand old man, where the right hand play the melody and left hand play the chord. Left hand old man, left hand play the melody, right hand play the chord. We start from D, 5 finger, where your middle is F sharp. Ready, set, go. Start from A sharp, A sharp, A. Cross your left hand over to B, go down by 1, F, E, go up. From F, go up to D, running 1, D all the way up to A, E, skip and going down accordingly. And when it's left hand old man, you play left hand the melody, right hand the chord. Ready, set, go. Start from A sharp, A sharp, A. Now lean on this finger, cross this finger over to B and go back down to E, go up. From F sharp, go up to D, running 1, go up, D all the way up to A, E, skip to G, go down and play the chord right hand. Slow. Cross. Ms.Poyonmusic.